Max, what are you doing? What are you doing? You go in the bathroom. Go to the bathroom. It's my mom's house. Could never not find it. It's a blue door. Get over here. Fucking dog don't listen. Her microwave car. Come on. Going to the backyard that we're gonna see later on tomorrow. I mean Saturday. Yeah, tomorrow. Mugs, don't chase it. Just the backyard. It's all the way back there. That's the porch. I don't think I could zoom it while I'm on it here. Nope. Shit. About to lose Mugs. And this is me. 5 o'clock in the morning. Can't sleep outside smoking a cigarette.